Come with me to the sea of love. I want to tell you how much I love you.
You must be Stephen.
I am, thank you.
And you are?
I'm Tawana.
Tawana. I'm Seth from Great Northern
The
Ducks.
love of my life.
Nice to meet you, Elena.
Nice to meet you. Got to get that in there, you know. Smart man. Nice to meet you. Yep.
Good to see you again, Stephen.
Good to see you too. Yep.
Nice to see you again.
Yep. Bye.
So how do you like your new dock?
I'm thinking that looks pretty good, and people have been happy with it, so I'm pleased. Definitely a better addition than my dock that used to float away in the springtime. You know, this is much safer.
Nice.
We're glad that you like it and that it's been treating you well the first summer.
All right, it's a good thing.
I brought Mr. Stability here to shake and see if he can test the stability. Well, what do you think, Ethan? Do you want to go out in the end and...
Looks pretty stable already.
Yeah, it's in
Pretty
there
good. So my brother and I work on maps of lakes around the area,
Yeah.
and we sell them to raise money, but we're giving you this one.
Oh, thank you.
So we raise
Yeah,
money for
I
charity.
like this. It lets me know where the different points are. This is nice, though. I like it. Thank you.
Well, thanks for going with Great Northern Ducks.
Yeah. Yeah, they did good for me. I mean, they came out in the springtime, and believe me, I don't know how they got in that cold water and put that dock in, but they did it. You know?
Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I want to tell you how much I love you. Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I want to tell you how much I love you. Come with me to the sea of love. Oh, do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I want to tell you how much I love you.